Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 2, Part C. So let's begin. Making the appropriate social media platform choices for your company is a crucial first step in developing a successful social media marketing strategy. Here are some pointers to assist you in choosing a platform. 1. Conduct audience research. Recognize the platforms where your target audience is most engaged and invest in those with a sizable user base that is similar to your target audience. 2. Take into account your objectives. Since different platforms have varied features and capabilities, it's crucial to think about which platforms would best serve your company's objectives. For instance, social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn might be better choices if your objective is to increase website traffic than image-based sites like Instagram and Pinterest. 3. Examine the competition. Find out which platforms your rivals are utilizing and decide if they are appropriate for your audience and objectives. 4. Test the waters. Start with a small number of platforms and evaluate which ones work best for your company. From there, you can add more platforms or focus more on the ones that are already successful. 5. Monitor and modify. Keep tabs on how each platform is performing and modify your plan as necessary. You can be sure that your social media marketing efforts are reaching the correct people and producing the desired outcomes by picking the appropriate platforms and audience to target. Additionally, you may maximize your efforts and continue to promote business growth by tracking and modifying your plan over time.